Hey guys, Aaron from UAVISUALS. Once again, just picked up the new Inspire 2 hard case by HPRC. It's called the 2780W and it's a beast. Now we've been using it for around 4 months now and I must say it's one of the better cases I've used. So to give you an idea, we have used the GPC and the Pelican cases, which are the square or cube looking ones with the Inspire 2 foam inserts. It's great, still works, does the trick. But in my opinion, I think this is the better one to go with, and I'll tell you why. So firstly, the size was the biggest thing for me. So even though it's long and narrow, it's actually a lot shorter or narrower, I guess, than the Peli or the GPC cases. Now, why does this matter? It makes a huge difference, especially in the transporting of this case. It's big. We needed to get it through doors, hotel rooms, lifts, into a car, into a hatchback or a sedan, so wherever we needed to go, we needed to get it through some pretty narrow spot. But the square cases were just so much harder and we had to be a lot careful, and we were just banging it into a whole bunch of doors and hotel rooms and denting rooms, but shh, don't tell anyone. Now the other thing I love about this is the inserts. Now it is a landing mode case, which means the drone is already set up with the legs out. You can put it in with the camera attached to it, but I don't recommend for traveling because you could damage the camera. So take the camera off, put that in your bag or somewhere else, and then throw the drone in there and it'll be nice and safe. But because it's in landing mode, it's so quick to get it out, camera on, and then off you go, drone up and get that money shot. Now, there's also plenty of compartments and accessories for batteries and chargers and whatnot. So what can you actually fit in there? Let's start from the top left and work our way into the case. So first of all, obviously it's the Inspire 2. It's in landing mode. Then you've got 3 sets of batteries that you can fit in here. So there's 4 that go on the top, and another 2 that goes on the actual drone. Then you've got 2 spots for 2 Crystal Sky monitors, which is the 7.85 inch, or you can fit a whole bunch of iPads in there because they're nice and thin. You've got 1 Sendence remote and 1 DJI remote, so great for dual ops. You've got 4 spots for SSDs. Now the first compartment on the right, we've got in there our charging hub, rotors, Crystal Sky batteries, other bits and pieces. Underneath this compartment, opens up, you can throw in your X7 or X5 camera. You've got spots for 3 lenses, which you could put the X7 lenses or the 45mm, the 12mm, and the 7mm Laowa in there if you wanted. And then underneath that compartment, I've got the SSD adapter, I've got a harness, a quick release battery tool. The list goes on. You can add whatever you want in those spots. It's pretty good. Then another great thing about the case is you can remove the top 2 compartments and just throw in a whole bunch of clothes and shoes for an overnight stay. So you can just have everything in that one big case and travel really lightly. So overall, it's a really tough case. I really like it. I'm so glad I purchased it. It's tough, it's hard, it's got 2 big handles for a 2-person lift. The wheels are really solid and strong. It's waterproof or water resistant. Obviously don't go diving with it, but it's great for all those kind of harsh conditions. The only 2 things I've picked up is the first one is it's actually designed for 2 controllers, but one being a Sendence remote and the other being the DJI remote. Now, not everyone has a Sendence, but what I did manage to do is fit 2 DJI remote controllers into it. So that you just need to put the bottom down first and move it around a little bit, but it will fit in there. Just be careful with the sticks pushing up against the foam. Speaking of foam isn't as strong as some of the other cases like the Peli cases or the GPC one. The GPC ones has that really nice waxy blue coating that they use. Just started to notice that the foam is slowly starting to split a little bit and rip, but not a big issue. It's there to protect your gear. Alright guys, that's it. A quick rundown of the HPRC 2780. Highly recommended for all sorts of drone ops. Great for air travel, going bush, getting on construction sites, getting it through narrow doors, or even in Volkswagen Golfs. It will fit almost anywhere for the size of the case. That's all. I hope it helps. Thumbs up, give us a sub. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.